Good day guys, Bing here. So today we're going to try this one. Roof. Okay, so I think so. Okay, so this is a quarter of this roof, and then so it's mirrored on to the other side, and same. So this is another quarter, and then mirrored on the other side. Okay, so let's do it. So first, okay, so this is a project, right? So maybe I'll just start from scratch. So new, let's create a project, and so let me guess, I made it like 5 meter, so 10 meter, 10 by 10. So I'm going to, so first I'll just do a roof, and I'll just do it like 10 by 10. Okay, so 10 by 10. And so this is only to just get a size of this. So I'll just finish this one, and maybe go to side plan so we can see the whole roof. Okay, so I think it can be a little bit tricky to create this as one page, but we can just create 4 separate pages and then join them together. So first I'll use just use a roof by footprint, and then use a slope what's that called? Sorry. Define slope. Okay, so define slope. So okay, so this is the whole size of this roof. So I'm going to just Control C and then paste in aligned to the same place. Edit sketch. So we can just create. I'll just change the size. So 5 meter and 5 meter. So now we're going to let's just model this bit, right? So it's very simple. So we can just have define slope on 2 edge, and that's all. So let's uncheck this define slope and select this one. So this slope looks like it's quite so it's probably the same. So if we have this one, this slope should match this one, and then from the look of this one, it's very straight. So maybe like 50 degrees. So let's change this to 50 degree. Okay, and then finish it. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So this is, now we can probably just delete this one because we already have one, right? So we can copy and paste or mirror. So so this is one. So maybe I'll change the thickness as well. So yep, okay. Now go back to a side plan. So I'm going to just mirror this. Mirror is okay, mirror where's mirror? Here, mirror So now we have, so let's say I'll keep this one and this one, and then for this one and this one we just need to make just to do it offset, right? So we just go add let me think. So go edit footprint. So we untick this define slope and tick this one, these two, sorry, and then change this one to negative 50 degrees. Okay, so now finish, and then we just need to go to elevation view, or just click on side of this cube, and then move this up here. So okay, and then we probably don't need this one because it's easier to just mirror, just all pick this edge. So on 45 degree, and then that's all. That's the other roof, right? So and then let's have a look. So we also need this vertical bit. So for that bit, I think I'll just use a wall instead of roof. So first let's have a look. The material of this roof, there's no material. Maybe just I'll use finish for this one. Okay, so finish. Okay, so and then I'll just use a wall WA, and maybe I'll just use the same thickness. So because this roof is 125, so I'll probably just I'll use this one, duplicate 125. Okay, edit 125. So you can see finish the same material. So that's all good. Okay, click OK, and then we can use pick edge. So I'm going to maybe use finish exterior, maybe, I'm not sure. Just pick this edge. Okay, so it looks like, okay, we might need to, because we probably want to attach to this roof, or we can just I think we can just adjust the height, because the top constraint can be just match that edge. So, and also I want this one to be maybe on the other side, so I just press space to flip this wall. So now we can say the maybe we just need to okay, I'll change this one. I think the level is okay, level 1, from level 1 to, not sure what the height is, but we can always do this, drag onto that edge, and this we can drag this up, so it's currently it's ground floor with the offset. Alternatively, you can just change this one to level 1 with 0 offset. Okay, and also because the material of this one, this wall and this roof is the same, so we can join them, so to get rid of the line between them. So this is very helpful if you want to create some very nice clean schematic model, right? So this is, and also you can see you might, I'm not sure, you might want to get rid of that bit. So yeah, so you can just edit profile, so you can just pick this edge, and then I think we can just delete this too and finish, and that's it. Okay, so and then when we have this wall, we can just quite easily mirror go to the other side, and also mirror, click on this one, mirror this, and hang on, sorry, mirror the again, so pick this edge, we'll go this side. Yep, and then just trim, drawing geometry, and this one looks good, this one's not, we need to mirror offset on like what's that, flip it, yeah, press space bar to flip it, so same, space, okay, join. And this is it. So this is two roof with positive slope on these two edges, right? So, and then two roof with negative slope on these two edges. Okay, so and then join them, and with this wall. Okay. So this is method number 1. Okay, so now method number 2. So it's very, very similar, but instead of using slopes, because sometimes we might have different like requirement. For example, we have for this one, we want this roof to be like 50 degrees exactly. No, we don't have a degree. That's fine. Let's just create a degree slope spot slopes type. Okay, so just duplicate, create a new one. I'll change the unit format from this to degree. So what's the, yeah, so actually the project setting is degree, so we can just take this one, degree, that's all good. Okay, and then so you can see this is 40 degree. So this can be achieved quite easily using the slope edge, but sometimes the requirement might be different. So for example, we might want this one to be decided by the height of the roof. For example, we want this roof to be start at level 1, but the overall height of the building we want it to be like 10 meter. So and then we might need to, because to achieve exact 10 meter, we might need to play around this. We might need to use like 50, or we might need to try 51 degree, and then do a spot elevation on that top. That's too much, right? So we need to and it can be quite hard to find the exact number or degree or angle to achieve that, right? So yeah, so it's a bit hard. I'll see if we can't change that. So yeah, you have to do it this way. 2 well, almost there. 2 1. No, we can't. So because we only have, we can't 0 2 5, and then it won't work. So how can we, easily just create a roof that to achieve exactly 10 meter high overall building height? So we can do this. So first I'll just copy one roof to here. So because I just wanted to use the size of the roof. I'm not going to use any of the the slope. So I'm going to edit footprint and uncheck this. So now it's a flat roof. And also we have to use flat roof because we can only do modify sub element on flat roof. Okay, so we have a flat roof on the level 1 level, right? And then we just need to use modify sub element. So we need to just need to here. So if you select this point, you'll see this is current height at this point. So we just need to top in 10 meter. And of course, if we have 4 points, a surface with 4 points, and we're trying to adjust modify the elevation of one of the points, Revit will create this curved shape. Okay, in this scenario we don't want it to be curved. We want it to be true flat surface with a ridge line. So to achieve that, we need to add a split line. So just click on this point and then click on this point. So now we have this. So now you can see we have this roof very similar to this one, and with this point at exact 10 meter. Okay, so the level, the angle will be looks like a slightly different to that. Not really sure. It's probably because so this one, are they different? This is quite interesting. You can see this one, although they are same thickness, same top, same roof, so the height here is different to this one. I think this is probably exact 125 on this roof, but on this one it looks like it's using 125 as the thickness of the roof. So this is why we have this one, so it's slightly thicker than 125. I think there are some options here, not really sure about those, let's don't worry about that. So okay, so now we have this quarter of the roof, and then it will be the same. So we can just mirror this one and mirror again. So we have this one, so these two, right? And then for this one, we're going to just modify sub element, or actually, sorry, reset. What's going on here? About to restore the select roof to its original flat. Are you sure? Yeah, of course. So now for this one, what we're going to do is we can just move this up. So I'll just change this one to ground floor with 10 meter, so it goes up. Or actually probably not, because looks like we need to move it down by 125, the thickness of the roof. Okay, so then we just use modify sub element. So we can use the same thing, add split line, add split line. Okay, so add split line, and then we can just modify sub element again. Select this one. We just need to move this down to match this one. and I think that's it. Okay, and then we can just select this one, mm, and pick this ridge line, so it will mirror create another one on this side. So now let's add the wall again. So just WA wall, I'll use this wall, pick line, and use maybe just exterior. So we can maybe just let's just change this one to level 1 from level 1 height. So we can also change this one to level, or actually hang on, level 1 height, level 1 with no yeah, doesn't matter. Let's just place the wall first, and then we can adjust this one. So unconnected, so we want it to be ground floor with 10 meter maybe, but yeah, I think that's it. And then I need to flip this one, space. Okay, so we need to either lower, we can lower this wall, or we can just use attach top. Okay, so I think this is it, and then we can just, you know, mirror and we can just mirror both, and then pick this ridge line. So, and then we can just join them. So yeah, all good. Oops, this one, yeah, this one, 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 and this one, this one. Okay, so this is it. So now we have, oh hang on, what's going on here? Okay, so it looks like we need to stop this wall at this point. So we can just yeah, we can just use extend, maybe just just pick this face and stop here. Yeah, and this one need to stop this here, this wall need to stop at here, and also the last one need to stop here. Okay, so, and this is it. So, and I think the only difference between these two methods is this. So you can see this when we use a slope, the thickness. So this is a 125 thick roof always. Okay, always 125. But when we use a modified sub element, so you can see the thickness changed. So it's a vertical thickness. So if I cut vertically, it will be 125. But if I cut a perpendicular to the surface of this roof, it won't be. So I think you might need to change change the roof thickness in order to make it a little bit thicker. Like just, you know, duplicate, create another one. I'll just make a 200 roof, so it might look nicer. Okay, so it looks like when we change the thickness of the roof, it also changed this one. So yeah, I think that's okay, because we can always, you know, hang on, let me just match all. I'll select MA. Oh, sorry, wrong one. MA and MA. So we just need to match this one, and we just need to, you know, modify sub element, select this point, and then just change this one back to 10 meter. And okay, and the same thing, this one, modify sub element, change this one to 10 meter, and this one. So we just need to, we can move it down, because when we do this one, we only change the height of the whole roof and then adjust this height. So we probably don't want to, you know, modify all these points down to 10 meter, but then it become a, so we probably move this by 75 millimeter, and then just increase the height of this one by 75, so it will be 4 millimeter. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so instead of, you know, do another one, so it's easier to just select this one, and then that's another one. So yeah, of course we need to join them, and also looks like it takes same amount of time anyway. So right, so I think this is it. Two different methods. One is use slope, use roof with defined slope, and the other one is flat roof with modified sub-element. Okay, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. And also, if you have other different method, yeah, please share. Okay, so that's all. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.